a story about student life, the daily challenges we all face, and the one kit that makes everything easier.
Where is my charger? My pen? My notebook? I'm late already.
Okay, it's time to study my midterm test. Wow, so hard to find my notebook. Okay. No pencil, no pen. How to write? Oh. So hungry.
Bro, I think I'm feeling life.
Same. I don't know if I am surviving Utah or Utah surviving me. Hi.
Wow, you two look destroyed, man.
Yes.
Wow, what it is? Is this the new Utah merch?
This is the Utar Survival Kit, designed for Utah student, and it is made by Utah student. No more running back hostel, no more panic. All you need, you can found in this bag. Find me.
See you.
I feel like a premium student now.
When I'm hungry, I can eat. Have pencil to write my note. Okay. Oh, tissue. And also, finally, the importance. That's what healing feels like.
How does it feel?
Utah Survival Kit.
Every student need one.
Yeah.